Highland 4-slice toaster oven with air fry technology is an elegant, multifunctional and high-tech piece of kitchen equipment. Healthy cooking has never been so easy with air frying. It cooks food faster and creates a crispy, fried layer and even browning on all sides using little to no oil. Its sleek and modern stainless steel finishes give you the look you love without the fuss. It combines space efficiency on your countertop with versatility. Air fry technology makes healthy cooking so easy. Temperature setting up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Holds 4 slices of bread or fits a 9-inch pizza. Gradient toast control for your level of toast preference. Air fry, toast, bake, broil function options. Up to a 30-minute timer setting. Anti-scratch stainless steel. Easy to clean with a non-stick.
Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Toaster Oven. This is deep fried taste without the fat. Air fry technology uses high-intensity hot air to bake, brown, and crisp your favorite fried foods with little to no oil. Try French fries, veggie chips, breaded fish fillets, frozen snacks, and a lot more. There's space for up to 6 slices of bread or a 12 pizza. 3 control knobs make it easy to set the toast timer and 60-minute timer, and choose from 5 cooking functions: bake, broil, toast, keep warm, and air fry. Convection technology circulates air within the oven for fast and even results when air frying. Plus, this toaster oven includes an air fry basket, bake/broil pan and rack, and an external crumb tray that slides in and out to make. This Oster compact countertop oven with built-in air fryer combines 4 favorite kitchen appliances in one compact design, letting you cook easy and delicious meals and snacks quickly, and saving you much-needed counter space. The Oster air fryer lets you make all of your favorite fried dishes with 99.5% less oil, and turn vegetables into healthy, delicious crunchy snacks. In addition to air frying, you can also toast, bake, broil, and more, and turbo convection heat technology cooks food faster and browns more evenly than conventional ovens. Save time without sacrificing quality with this Gallons 25 liters digital toaster oven. Offering exceptional countertop convenience, the premium 2-in-1 air fryer and toaster oven combo can be used for anything from air frying food to crispy perfection to dehydrating fruit, baking a 12 inches pizza or toasting up to 6 slices of bread at a time. Its user-friendly digital control panel makes it easy to switch between using the 8 preset cooking functions and setting the time and temperature manually. The Gallons digital air fry toaster oven comes with multiple accessories, and its brushed stainless steel exterior adds sleek contemporary appeal to any kitchen. Gourmet's stainless steel digital air fry oven is as beautiful as it is powerful. This large oven, with its glass viewing window and French doors, is designed to accommodate every kind of food imaginable. You can air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, and more, so all your favorite foods can go right into this air fryer oven. They'll come out crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, the way they're meant to be enjoyed. And when all is said and done, the dishwasher-safe air fry basket, baking pan, oven rack and crumb tray make cleanup surprisingly